Hi, today we're going to talk about how to convert a Notion form into PDF files on automation. For this, we have got a babysitter contract form opened up over here. And as you can see, this is a simple form for a babysitter contract which I have created over here. Once the user will fill in all the details in this form and they click on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database that we see over here. I've already gone ahead and have created two responses from the particular form. And now I'm looking to convert these responses into PDF files on automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. PDF Output will help me produce PDF files and automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So the document is where I'll be editing the template to convert to PDF file, and the database is where I will be entering all the information that I want to convert to PDF. We can create any reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that we're looking to generate in a business with this automation tool. Let's click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will see how the automation will work out with the rest of the steps. So I'm going to quickly sign in and then I will show you how the automation can be created. So the moment you sign in, the very first thing which you need to do is you need to connect your database over here. Once the database is added, you need to add the document for the corresponding database. And finally, we need to map every property of the database one by one onto the document and generate the PDF file. So click on add Notion database and now you will be able to add the database from the selection screen. Let's copy the database title which we have. So I'm going to copy this title from a Notion account and I'm going to use this database inside the selection screen window. So I will click on select pages, put the title inside the search pages field, and now you should be able to add the database from the drop down. Select the database and now it is added up. So whenever you're looking to add a database or a form, simply put it inside the search pages and then add it. Scroll down and click on allow access, and now you should get access to the babysitter contract form, which you'll be able to see the drop down right over here. So it will take a while to load the database. If it is not showing up over here, simply click reload database and just try it once or twice and the database should definitely appear. It takes a while sometimes to load the database, so please be patient. But if you try reloading the database, you should definitely be able to see the particular contract form appear over here. Once that is selected, if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the database showing over here. So whatever properties we have in the database right over here, it is already visible in this selection window. Now let's add a document to this database. So click on add Google document. If you already have a babysitter contract document that is a template available on your drive, go with an existing document option and select the template that is already available on your drive. I don't have any document available as such. So what I will do instead is I will click on add demo document and it will create me a new sample document and it will automatically create all the placeholders right inside the document. So you can see it has created me this new document and it has also added every placeholder of the database right inside the document. So we have babysitter name, we have parent name, we have pay rate, we have work schedule. All these things are fetched from the database that we see over here. So when the PDF will be created, all these fields inside curly brackets, like the babysitter name, it will be fetched from the babysitter name column and it will be replaced with the values from this column. Similarly, we have parent name, which will be fetched from the parent name column and it will be fetched from this column, and so on for all the other fields. So if you want to add any field onto the document, let's say you want to add the babysitter name once again, let's click on copy, go to the document where you need to add it and simply use Control V or Command V on your keyboard. Okay, so this is the keyboard shortcut which will allow you to copy paste the property right into the document. So you can copy paste any property like that into the document and it will automatically be added up. Okay. So this is how you can map any property right inside the document as per a requirement. So once this is done, what you can do next is you can define how the PDF file will be named. So the PDF file, I can name it as per the babysitter name. Okay, so I will select babysitter name from the drop down. You can obviously select any particular column from here, but I have selected babysitter name. Now let me click on download PDF. The moment I click on download PDF, it will look into the database and it will try to see if any of the records are marked as ready to generate. So if you are generating the PDF, make sure you set your records as ready to generate by default, and then the PDF will be created right inside the database over here in this column. It will also be stored on the downloads folder, but you should be able to see the document created right inside this PDF file column. Let me open up both the files and we should be able to see all the properties automatically mapped. So you can see every property of the database already showing up in this document as per the requirement. Let's open up the second document as well, and we should be able to see the same pattern repeat over here as well. So we find two files which have been created where all the properties have been correctly mapped with the database values that we just saw. Okay. So now if you want to automate this process entirely, click on setup Notion automation. And now this will automate this process of generating PDF forever, which means you do not need to add the database and the document again and again with this exact settings to generate the PDF henceforth. Once you click on setup Notion automation, whenever user will click on submit and a new entry will appear over here, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will automatically be created inside the database. So this makes the process super easy and convenient, as whenever a user adds a new entry, you simply need to turn it to ready to generate and the PDF will be created right inside the database using the same placeholders and the settings that you would have defined earlier. So this allows you to generate the PDF directly within the Notion database without using the PDF output dashboard to set up everything from scratch. So I hope this explanation was clear and helpful to you. If you still have any questions on this, use this chat bubble. Send me a message with the questions on this issue. I'll be able to assist you with your queries. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will be able to find the contact window. Click on this and send me a message with your issues. I'll be able to take up your issues on this as well. You even have an option to book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automations available. So that was it from my end. I hope you start generating the PDF the right way and create the PDF instantly within the database by simply setting the records as ready to generate, and it will automatically do the work for you right inside the database. So that was it from my end. Thank you for watching this video. And as you can see, it has started processing this document and it will soon be converted to PDF right within the database. That is how the power of PDF